Assalamu alaikum. We're looking at the speaking skill, and the speaking skill is about asking for and giving clarification. Asking for clarification and giving clarification. What is clarification? Clarification is to make something clear. So you ask for clarification when you don't understand something. You ask the other person to make it clear for you so you understand it clearly. How can you ask for clarification? This is a very common way that we ask for clarification, and that is we repeat part of the thing that was said or a word that was said, and we repeat it in a way that it sounds like a question. So for example, here you have a conversation between Harry and the host, and Harry said, "A friend of mine published a cookbook online." And the host, he didn't quite understand. He was surprised at what Harry said. So he said, "A cookbook? A cookbook?" And he said it in a way that it sounds like a question. He said it using a question intonation. So his voice was rising. A cookbook? A cookbook? Because he just repeated a word and he said it with a question intonation, the person understood, Harry understood, that I need to clarify, I need to make it clear for him, I need to explain to him what I meant. So he said, "That's right, a cookbook with foods that are healthy and also delicious." So he's explaining, yeah, you're correct, you did understand, you did hear what I said. I did mean a cookbook, and a cookbook is a book with foods that are healthy and delicious and so on. So this is one common way that we ask for clarification. You might say to your friend, "I went to Omlej last weekend," and your friend will say, "Omlej?" And you can say, "Yeah, Omlej near to Yumbo on the coast." So he didn't understand where you went, and he just asked by repeating the word you said and repeating it in a question form, in a question intonation. Omlej? Like this. So that's the skill. And how exactly, or what exact phrases can we use to ask for clarification? So you don't understand and you want the person to explain to you. You can use these phrases also to ask for clarification. So you can say, "Could you explain? Do you mean? What does something? What does that mean? What does that? What does cookbook mean? What does Omlej mean? What's an?" And these are ways that you can ask for clarification. You're not sure, you want the person to explain. "Could you explain that again? Do you mean this?" And the person listening will understand that I need to clarify, I need to explain further. He didn't understand me. If you're the person that is speaking and someone asks you for clarification, these are the ways that you can give clarification. You can make what you say clearer. You can emphasize what you're saying. So in the example above, he said, "A cookbook," and Harry said, "That's right, a cookbook." You're clarifying, you're making it clear, yes, it was a cookbook. A cookbook is something that you find recipes in. What I mean is, so someone might not understand, what I mean is so and so. What I'm saying is, that's not what I meant. Let me explain. So this is how you give clarification when you are speaking, and this is how you ask for clarification. And together with these, you can repeat the word with a question. Repeat the word with a question intonation. And this is also a very common way that we ask for clarification. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something and took some benefit.